Last video for the 3085 sew along. Let's finish sewing this dress. If you are following along with the instructions, well, we are doing the remaining steps that we haven't done. The first step is to assemble the skirt. We have to put together the skirt before we can attach it to the bodice. The first step in assembling the skirt is sewing the side seams. Really simple, straight stitch, back stitch at beginning the ends, and a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Then you will pin the godets to the skirt front and the skirt back. You will also sew this with a straight stitch, 1/4 inch seam allowance, and back stitch at beginning and the ends. I find it very helpful and much easier to sew if I start from the bottom and then go up to the top, and so that I know that those stitches align at the point where the godet meets the side seam. Because this pattern calls for a lycra for the fabric, the main fabric of the skirt, you don't have to worry about hemming, but if you're using another fabric that does fray, you will want to hem your skirt front and skirt back before attaching it to the godets. Now that the skirt is assembled, we can attach it to the bodice. So I have the bodice on top, the skirt below, obviously. I have the side seams aligned on the skirt to the bodice. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your band elastic and you are gonna lay it over, and you are gonna sew it with a zigzag really close to that edge. You don't want your zigzag to be in the middle here. You want it to be right next to the edge. Now you're gonna go from the center back on one side all the way to the center back on the other side. I like sewing the top edge of the waistband to the bodice and then go back and then sew the bottom edge of the waistband to the skirt. So I do them separately. But then on this edge, what I did is I cut back this little edge here because I want this to wrap around so that it will align with the zipper in the next step. This doesn't fray, so I can cut that back and it'll be totally fine. Bodice is sewn to skirt. Now comes the final step, which is inserting the zipper. The pattern calls for an invisible zipper, but you might be using a regular zipper, you might be using an exposed zipper. Also, inserting a zipper, the steps to doing it will also depend on your machine, what type of presser foot you are using. But you will insert your zipper using whatever instructions that you have, presser foot that it requires, and then how you will finish it is that you will wrap the elastic around to finish it off. And now you see why we cut this off, so that when you clasp it, it all comes together in the back. And then also the top of the zipper should hit right at the bottom edge of the elastic. This completes the sew along for the 3085. Hopefully it made it a lot more enjoyable and easier. Any questions, feel free to pop them in the comments below or email hello@madalynne.com.